Good evening, Dr. Fauci. My name is Chet Wailun. Our group is Group 1, Section 1. Now, we will start our presentation. So, our company chosen is TD Furniture Manufacturing Sdn Berhad. There are 7 group members, which are myself, Chet Wailun, Lim Go Hao, Tan Tian Xin, Yap Chu Er, Lo Siki, Lim Kai Kiet, Tan Jia Xuan.
Good evening, doctor. My name is Tan Tian Xin and my matrix number is AP230375. I would like to present the part of extract. Quality tools are important to help manufacturing sector to find and fix problems, ensure product meet high standard and increase customer satisfaction. The main problem currently happen in TD furniture manufacturing Sdn Berhad is low quality material. Low quality material may damage brand reputation and customer satisfaction. Physical interview and reviewing existing literature, article and source are one of the methodology method to carry out this study. Besides that, QC tools such as affinity diagram, flowchart, check sheet, tree diagrams, interrelationship diagram, cause and effect, Ishikawa diagram, Pareto diagram, and matrix diagram also used to carry out the study. Based on the study, we found out there are 5 main causes in TD furniture, which are high turnover rate, lack of supervision, inexperienced worker, poor scheduling, lack of standardized process. However, there are 15 solutions have been proposed for improvement based on 5 main causes. Based on the matrix diagram evaluation, 5 priority solutions has been identified are provide hands-on training, develop a skill development roadmap, collect feedback from employee, develop and enforce workflow guideline, and continuously review and update procedure. Lastly, our study can help TD Furniture to identify the main problem, determine the main causes, propose solution, and evaluate priority of solution to improve performance of TD manufacturing Sdn Berhad.
Greetings to Dr. Fauzi. My name is Lim Kai Kit, AP230315. Today, I'll present about my part, which is the introduction. There are a few importance of QC tools and also the new 7 QC tools. As for the old QC tools, there are Pareto diagram, cause and effect diagram, histogram, control chart, scatter diagram, graphs, and also check sheets. They are very important as they can track overall performance of a company, identify and eliminate underlying costs, and also enables improvements in the production process. As for the new 7 QC tools, there are affinity diagram, interrelationship diagram, tree diagram, process decision program chart, PDPC, matrix diagram, activity network diagram, and also arrow diagram. They are important as they can facilitate structured problem solving, strengthen strategic planning, determine the main cause of the problems, and also analyze the results of the company. This research itself is very important in our scope as it can help us to apply the 7 QC tools and also the new 7 QC tools in order to identify the problems and propose solutions to overcome them. As for our company, is TD Furnitures. As for the objectives of our research, there are 4 main objectives, which are identify the main problem of TD furniture, determine the main causes of the problems, recommend the solutions to overcome the cause and also the problems, and the last one is to evaluate the priority of the solutions.
My name is Tan Jia Xuan and my matrix number is AP230139. Now I would like to explain about the background study of TD Furniture's company. First, the company has supported by more than 200 skilled workers and produced 3 main types of furniture, which is residential furniture, commercial furniture, and for material use. Next, the company has more than 500 employees, who is guided by 3 directors, which is Mr. Koh Chu San, Mr. Koh Chu Chung, and Mr. Wong Kok Hoon. The vision of the company is to be the most reputable manufacturing and trading home furnishing company in Malaysia. Lastly, the mission of the company is to be the premier furniture company in Malaysia, which is providing goods and service of the highest quality at the most competitive and affordable price.
Good evening, Doctor. My name is Ichigo and my metric number is AP23036. Today I will present about the methodology, flowchart, and parallel chart. For the part of methodology, this study explores how QC tools can help to solve the problem at TD Furniture. As shown in figure, the first stage of this study is to identify the primary problem of TD Furniture. Next, the research will identify the causes, identify main causes, propose solution, and evaluate solution to offer the useful advice to solve the problem in TD Furniture. For the data collection, this study will use two methods, which are primary data and secondary data. Primary data involves the researchers conducted the physical interview with the production manager to identify the problems and main problem and discuss the idea for possible improvement in TD Furniture. Next, the secondary data will focus on the review existing literature, article, and sources discussing the QC tools and how the tools help to solve the problem. There are 7 QC tools will be used, which are flowchart, chart, parallel chart, Ishikawa, affinity diagram, interrelationship diagram, tree diagram, and matrix diagram. Flowchart. Flowchart is the diagram that shows the step of process in order. It uses the boxes and arrows to help us understand how a product is made. TD Furniture process start with the received customer order. Then the team will review and plan the design. After that, the raw materials are prepared and checked during the incoming inspection. If the materials are good, the process will continue with the storing the materials, cutting and shaping them. Then the furniture is assembled and checked again by workers. If approved, the furniture will go through the surface finishing, final quality inspection, packaging and delivery. This step-by-step process can help to ensure the furniture is made properly and delivered to customer on the time.
Good morning, Doctor. My name is Lo Shike. Number metric is AP230390. Now I want to present about the chart sheet for TD Furniture. They have 5 issues. First is the low quality material. It was mentioned 70 times. Secondly is the high operation cost. It was mentioned 35 times. Third is low productivity. It has 33 times out of 150, followed by poor occupational safety and healthy OSHA, communicated with 15 out of the 115 times. The last is employee resignation as it only occurred for 7 out of 115 times. Finally, based on the data collection, they found out that the most common problem is low quality material. It is 70 times.
Parallel chart. Parallel chart is the bar graph used in the quality control to show which problems are the most frequent and serious to help the resources focus on the biggest issue or problems first. The Pareto diagram shows the problem faced by TD Furniture as shown in the table and figure. TD Furniture found that there are 5 problems in the company. They are low quality material, high operation costs, low productivity, poor occupational safety and health, and increased employee resignations. The manager has often the feedback from the employees. Firstly, the most critical problem faced by TD Furniture is low quality material, which stands for 47% of 70 feedbacks from the overall of the 150 feedbacks. Next, the critical problem with the second highest ranking is high operation cost, which is 23% or 35 feedbacks. Then, the third highest ranking of the problem is low productivity, which is 15% or 23 feedbacks. Next, the fourth problem that faced by TD Furniture is poor occupational safety and health, stand for 10% or 15 feedbacks. The last problem is increased employee resignations, stand for 5% or 7 feedbacks. As we can see, the main problem of TD Furniture is low quality material.
Now I would like to explain about the fishbone diagram. Fishbone diagram is also used to identify the root cause of a problem or quality issues. It has organized the cost into 5 categories, which are machine, manpower, material, environment, and also methods. From the aspect machine, we can see that the company use outdated machine, poor maintenance tools, and also improper machine setting. From the aspect manpower, we notice that the high turnover rates, inexperienced worker, lack of supervision will also result in low quality material problem. From the aspect material, we can see that the company has material substitution, lack of incoming inspection, and also supplier issues. From the aspect methods, the company also has lack of standardized process, poor scheduling, and also inconsistent inspection techniques. This this method also will result in low quality material problem. Lastly, the humidity condition will be result in low quality material problem.
So for my part is relationship diagram. There are five main causes in the 3D furniture, such as high turnover rate, inexperienced worker, lack of supervision, poor scheduling, and also lack of standardized process. This is because the number of outgoing areas is the highest. For example, the number of outgoing areas of high turnover rate is 10, and then high turnover rate will cause low quality material, lack of supervision, improper machine setting, poor maintenance on tools or equipment, supplier issues, material substitution, lack of incoming inspection, inexperienced worker, inconsistent inspection technicals, and also poor scheduling issues happen.
My name is Guo Hao. Today I will present three diagrams that identify the main causes of low quality material in a production or work environment. And I will also provide potential solution to outcome term. The first issue is high turnover rate. To address this, we should implement employee retention program to keep skilled worker. This is also important to enhance company culture and encouragement so employee will feel valued and involved in the organization. Lastly is offering competitive compensation and benefit will motivate employee to stay with the organization. The second issue is lack of supervision. So we can resolve this by assigning dedicated team lead or supervisor to guide employee, establish clear reporting structure, and also organization can provide team leadership training to ensure supervisors are effective in their roles. The next main causes is in experienced workers. So we have some effective strategy including pairing new employee with experienced staff of on-the-job learning. And organization also providing hand-on training to build up their confidence and skill. Developing a skill development roadmap in their organization. Next main causes for poor scheduling can lead to overworked staff or lead time. To improve this, organizations should use scheduling software to manage time and also can collect feedback from employees to understanding scheduling challenges. An organization also can plan schedule in advance to avoid last minute change or confusion. Lastly is lack of standardization process to address this, company can use document and implement standard operating procedure (SOP) so tasks are done correctly every time, and develop and enforce workflow guideline to ensure consistency. And and most importantly is continuously review and update procedure to adapt to new change and improvement.
Good evening, doctor. My name is Tan Tian Sing and my matrix number is AP23025. I would like to discuss about the matrix diagram which show how various workplace improvement as shown in TD Furniture Manufacturing Sdn Bhd. This matrix diagram aligns three focus areas which is HR program development, tech approach, and leader focus. From the diagram, we found out that several actions achieved the highest score, which is 15 and ranked first. These include provide hands-on training, develop a skill development roadmap, collect feedback from employees, and develop and enforce workflow guidelines, and continuously review and update procedures. This is considered the most important initiative for TD Furniture Manufacturing Sdn Bhd. Some actions had a score of 10 and ranked second, such as enhanced company culture and engagement, align dedicated team leads or supervisor, establish clear reporting structure, provide leadership training, pair new employees with experienced staff, document and implement standard and operating procedure SOP. These actions are still important but may lag slightly in one area compared to the top ranked ones. The lowest scoring initiative is implement employee retention program over competitive compensation and benefit, adopt scheduling software, plan schedule in advance with a score of 5 and rank third. This may be due to its lower connection with internal leadership, HR program development, or tech approach as it mainly involves financial or external benchmarking decisions. To sum up the conclusion, matrix diagram really help TD Furniture Manufacturing Sdn Bhd which to clearly identify initiatives that are more balanced support across through HR program development, tech approach and leadership focus. The higher ranking action should be the first step for implementation.
Good morning, doctor. My name is Roshike. Number matrix is AP230390. Now I want to present about the discussion. First is the chart shape, low quality material. It says 70 times. Secondly is Pareto diagram. Main issue is low quality material. It is 47%. The third is fishbone diagram. Out data machine of true, poor max tension on true and or equipment and so on. The next is relationship diagram. Main cause high turnover, lack of supervision in experienced worker, poor security and lack of standardized process because the number of outgoing error is the highest. Next is the tree diagram. Solution improvements employee retention program, enhancing company culture and engagement, offering competitive compensation, and so on. The last is matrix diagram. Polito solution provided hands-on trainings, develop a skill development roadmap, correct feedback from employees, develop and enforce workflow guidelines, and continuous reverse and update procedures. This is because one ranking is higher, it has 15 times.
To conclude, based on our study, we're able to know that low quality material is the main problem that happens in the TD furniture. Besides that, high turnover rate, lack of supervision, inexperienced worker, poor scheduling and lack of standardized process are the main causes happen in the TD furniture. However, we also found that provide hands-on training, develop a skill development roadmap, collect feedback from employees, develop and enforce workflow guidelines, and continuously review and update procedures are the priority solutions that can help TD furniture. Lastly, our study can help TD furniture to identify the main problems, determine the main causes, propose solutions, and evaluate the priority of solutions to improve the performance of TD furniture's manufacturing Sdn Bhd. That's all from us. Thank you so much for listening our presentation.